I finished the red pants, and then I decided let me make some dark grey black ones as well. Um, as I mentioned, I used this easy stitch pattern. I wanted to see their their tracksuit pants fit, how it would fit me, and the the pants are fitting lovely. Uh, there was nothing wrong with the fit. The fit looks beautifully. Basically, what I did was I just followed. I didn't change much on the red tracksuit. In fact, I didn't change anything. I just followed their instructions. So the instructions were very clear. There was the only thing I didn't fully understand was the waistband instructions, but I think it's got more to do with my knowledge than anything else. Because normally what I do is I do the waistband when I do the track suits. I do the waistband separately because I don't like the fold. But these ones I did the fold now, like they say. Even the pockets turned out lovely. Um, the black pants also, there's everything turned out beautifully. The only thing I changed with the black pants is I added the string, some buttonholes here with the string. But yeah, the fit was nice. What I actually did was I wear a 4XL on their pattern, and what I did was I first made a 3XL, which also fitted good, but I then decided it was a bit narrow around my leg, so I decided then to do a 4XL. I just did a small short actually for myself, so I'll be wearing the short in any case. But these pants, I think the pockets turned out lovely. Everything is nice on these pants. The only thing that I will probably change again, that I will change if I do pants again, uh, is I'll probably do on the inside a top stitch, and maybe even on the outside here I'll do a top stitch just to round everything nicely off. But normally these tracksuit pants don't have top stitching here. They usually only have the top stitch on the inside, but and the back. Probably do a top stitch there. But okay, that's not in the instructions. I just follow the instructions. So this is the pants turned out lovely. I'm glad I made these pants. I will definitely, if I sew the pants again, I'll make use of their pattern. The material that I used is this, they call it, I see on the invoice, Hollister hoodie material. Now, I did try and do some research on the Hollister material, but I couldn't find much other than probably that the outside is made of cotton, and then this inside you can clearly see is polyester. The material wasn't cheap. It was rather expensive considering to other fleeces, but it's a lovely fleece. It looks like something that you can buy in a store. So it's lovely material. The lengths were fine. I had no trouble with the lengths. I didn't even adjust the inside seam or the outside for the lengths. I just followed the instruction. The instruction said that you must add, if you're going to do ribbing, uh, you add the ribbing, and if you're just going to do a fold over seam, then you must uh, add, I think, 3 centimeters or something. So I just added the 3 centimeters for the length that they set. So yeah, I think they turned out lovely, these tracksuit pants. I'll probably make more of them because I like the fit. Go and buy more of this Hollister tracksuit pants material, and then the material I bought at a Dubai Center here in Boksburg. I love that store. I always go to that store uh, unless I buy the textiles online. That store is, the people there are very, very helpful. I've never had trouble with those people, so I'll probably go back there again. But that's where I bought this material. Mm, normally the pockets as well. This is sort of I'm not sure what they call it, but it's like an inseam pocket. Now, normally I don't do the pockets like this because I'm not fond of this pocket. I normally like to do the pocket that goes a bit like a triangle this side. I'm not sure what they call it. I don't like inseam pockets, but I just followed the instructions, and the pocket actually turned out lovely. Uh, the only thing that I did here was I did a bar tack here. It's not really a bar tack. I just added an extra seam, extra stitch there at the bottom of the pocket. But that's all that I actually changed here. I don't like these pockets, but I think they turned out lovely. Next time I'll probably do one of those square pockets that I usually do on the tracksuits. But overall, I think this is nice. Let me see what I wanted to. Yeah, so the waistband, I'll definitely do different next time. I don't like the fold over waistbands. They're difficult to work with. I just don't like it. So probably what I'll do, if I do again, is I'll just add 1.5 centimeters for the top, for this the waistband above the pocket, and then I'll just do the waistband separately and then attach the waistband. But overall, I think even the buttonholes that I used for the string turned out lovely. So I'm very chuffed with these tracksuit pants. They sit lovely. It's such lovely material when you wear it. I'm not sure how warm they are, but it is a thick woody material, type material. So yeah.